What's the meaning of arvo? Arvo. Arvo.
Arvo. Arvo. Arvo is an Australian slang term that stands for afternoon. It is a shortened version of the word afternoon and is commonly used across Australia. The word is especially popular among those who live in the state of Victoria. Its use is not limited to any particular age group, gender, or social class. Instead, it is widely accepted and can be used in both formal and informal settings. The term adds a unique touch to the Australian language and helps to create a strong sense of identity within the culture.